is when we make a paper brushing. This is how you make a mist for a meat or something. You put a lot. You put water. Then just go all the way. Then we just put something right there. But just more. Then we need more tea. We mix it. Some of dash. Then when it's done, now it can be done. Put it inside the paper mix. Then if it's done, then squish it. Then put it right here.
Voila.
Voila.
I need your help. Come here.
No,
What?
I don't need your help.
No,
Leave me alone. I'm sleeping.
It's starting to come together, but it looks more like a grapevine than a volcano.
I'm painting the volcano. We can do it together, Mom.
Oh, that's so
You
nice
can
of you.
you can do it by yourself and myself, okay?
It's okay. I'll let you do it. What are you putting in it first, Justin?
Food color.
What's that?
This, soda baker. Oh, you can see some. What this is? Wow. This one.
All right.
I think it's gonna come out. Oh, the volcano! It's blowing, right?
Yeah.
It's not working.
I know. Hold on.